What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is September the 5th of September, and I got an unboxing from Prime. So, this right here is just a quick one. It's only one product. So, it's something that I wanted to get to test out because I know a lot of people, they be on different multiple platforms, and you know how you want to hit the like button and your fingers get tired. So, this right here is called an auto clicker for smartphones, phone streaming device, speed clicker for iPhones, iPad apps, fast clicking stimulation, finger continuous click for games, live broadcast likes, lightning deal reward tasks. So I wanted to test it out so I can be the first one of us YouTubers to try to support other people, and also for TikTokers as well. And they come in this box right here, as you see. So all we're supposed to do with this, what it says, is we just hook it up, have it plugged in, and we're supposed to have it placed on the phone. And so us keeping hitting the likes for people on TikTok, it should do it for us. So I want to check it out right now. I just want to let y'all know what it is. I will put it in the description of my video and let you know what it's about. And then I'll also give you another update later if it works good or not. So until next time, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation, stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And I'll holler at you later. Peace and hair grease. Ooh,